So as you may know already, this is the start to my wrap journey, and there's a lot of things to learn and a lot of mistakes to be made, but one thing I say is fail fast and do it early. Boom. If you can tell, cut some wrap. Check this out. So this is our corners right now. Make sure that they have clean corners. These corners are all right. Let's check it out. And it's all on there, so I'm really happy about that. And I'm taking off the canards. Sheesh. If you're looking for weight reduction, bro, just empty this out. This thing's like a brick, like it's so heavy. Oh, what the? Y'all see that, right? Jeez. I'm about to be fast as boy. I can see my taillights again. Oh boy, this color. Oh man, I wasn't ready. You can start to see really how the color's gonna start to hit. Like, really, the color that I was looking for was like green, but like it's hitting a little bit blue, and it honestly looks pretty sick. Just seeing these two together, it looks so good. The panels are gonna look nice. Got another pillar done. Boy, Henry, you putting in that work. Gotta appreciate it, show love. I'll definitely tag him on the bio. Damn, I'm not gonna lie. At True Blizzy almost did all this. He did a lot of it, so I gotta give him props. But I did go ahead and mock this up, and we're gonna go ahead and finish this side. Yo, what is up, guys? So it is 12 o'clock now, and I can't thank True Blizzy enough. This is what we got done so far. So this has already been done. This wouldn't have been done if we didn't have him come through. Everything's looking pretty clean. The corners. We even went as far as cutting this bumper because it has to be done in 2 pieces, because this corner is crazy, in my opinion. That's how I would like to do it. And then we're just starting doing these corners, and then we still need to run up there. Here we got the side skirt all taken off. Looks clean, and this is inside the door, so you won't have to worry about it. So this is what my side skirt looks like right now. The side skirt that needs to be done. Needs to get sanded, cleaned up thoroughly, and clay barred. As far as these doors, we are pretty much good to go. This is all sanded, you can't feel it. Put 1 piece of paper, and then we're gonna cut in the middle to get 2 doors. Alright, so unfortunately my SD card did run out of memory, so I went ahead and skipped through a lot of this, and this part's important. So you don't want to make any cuts here until you do this. This, you have to heat it all up, and then you're going to slowly push it in from all sides and get to the middle. I like it. Just need to put on this side skirt. You can read that. And loving it. Looks super wild. And then I'm currently working on this side skirt. This is the other side done. Just gotta slap it on there. Alright guys, and if you guys do have to do body work like I do with the rock chips on my hood, I recommend doing a 320, 1500, and 2000 to finish. It's been working out for me, and then I have a test strip. Finally got the side skirt on, doing the door. We got my boy Henry back at it. We also got the roof prepped. We're about to do that. I got it all cut out. Alright, and there's the roof. Boy's sanding the hood right now. Alright, Henry, so before we wrap this hood, what was the experience wrapping the car?
Well, to me, pretty easy.
Oh, shit. I was struggling the whole time.
Just cut it out, bro. Just cut it out.
Another successful day thanks to True Blood Z coming through. Everyone make sure to go follow him. Link will be in the description. And without his help, we wouldn't have been able to do the hood, the roof. Everything's all tucked in, nicely done. And the door. Everything had a little bit of body work to do. That's why it took so long. I'm just glad we're able to get the whole car uniform, all pretty much one color. And I'm just gonna do this door handle and then call it a night. Got just the bumper left. Final touches. I finally pulled her out of the garage and she's looking nice. Like, it's just hitting different outside. Had to stop by the store real quick, get some adhesive for the bumper. It just wasn't gonna work out without this. The primer is not sticky at all. Alright, and this is the setup we got going on. Just gonna get ready to spray it. Alright, while that dries and I see what the texture looks like, I'm gonna go ahead and start putting the side splitters back on. What a gloomy day for California, but hey, side splitters are on. So I actually didn't get to finish the wrap yet, but we're gonna head to a meet anyways, because you know we can. And most importantly, I really wanted to donate to a toy drive this Christmas. I just felt like that was the thing, so I'm gonna go pick up a toy and then we're gonna go to the toy drive car meet thing and see what's good over there. Bro, no way they don't got no Pokemon cards, bro. I'm about to be pissed. What? I don't want to play Magic. What the f is that? Man. Not exactly what I was looking for, but hey, Mario does the job, bro. As a kid, Mario was hitting different. Time to head over to the meet though. Got some boys waiting and I'm gonna get their reaction as well. This looks pretty sick so far. Got some more whips over here. Oh, yeah, we got the sick cools over here. Okay. I want to park next to. Oh, I want to park next to these guys. These guys popping.
Dogo wants to drive over there? I mean, closer to that. Well, yeah, but look at Dogo's fucking front.
More homies, more G homies, and then Subi, what? We'll deal with it. I just want to see him air out. I'm waiting for it. Let's see that first air out. Okay. Oh snap. Oh. That's wet, bro. Now you do it. Oh, they got the Christmas vibes. Except we just hanging by a thread. Like, I don't know what's going on here, but Lewis slammed, huh? But hey, clean wheels. I love it. Oh, I didn't even notice this.
Oh, I think I know what you're talking about. Yeah, for like big, like longer tracks, it's a little underpowered. Hella clean.
Where'd you tell me at? He got it, on.
He got it. He got it.
Oh, this bagged boys for sure.
What show? This is Alex's car. This is one of my boys. Like you'll see him right now. He's.
So we're back in the garage, finishing up some inlays right now. We have 3 of them to do before we put on the big piece. Just pulling the lines. I feel like this is the best way. Really fast and clean cuts. Oh, we out here. Got that one going. Now to the other side. I'm just really excited. So when I was applying the wrap, this is my first time with this bumper, by the way. It ripped on me. So let's take a look at it. Wait, what's that sticker? What? Oh man. So I didn't do the best job with this. I definitely want to try it again and get good at it. But as of now, I'm gonna do little touch-ups, like cut out little pieces, but I'm ordering more of this wrap. And we're gonna make this car look good. We're trying to be transparent and show that there is difficulties in wrapping and you're not gonna get it in one shot. Like, it's gonna take some time. Okay, for now, since the patch notes for this update are gonna take a while, I went ahead and did some patchwork. Hard to see the lines, to be honest, but you know, you gotta start somewhere. And it's at least all one color. So we're gonna slap this on the car for now. I'll show you guys what that looks like. And we're here back at the parking garage. Take some nice pictures. Do a little walk around and end the video. If you guys did like the video so far, please share, like, and subscribe for more content. Follow me on Instagram, do whatever. Everything will be in the bio. Got the same homie as last time here. Alright, so we actually ended up parking next to the Bomi over there. Let's do a little reveal. Ooh. This is her right now. Look at the cinematics going. Hold up. Wait, what are these? We can fix this real quick. Alright, so this is the actual reveal. Check this out. Ooh. Just hit a little bit different.